Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another autumn-themed art journal page with rubber band stamps and brushos. Instead of stamping ink, I used Neocolor crayons to stamp the mushrooms. I'm working in my homemade envelope art journal today, and I will give you the link to a video tutorial how I made this book in the info box on the top right corner. I have already gessoed the pages, and now I go in with some leaf stamps from rubber bands and some archival ink to create texture on the background. I also use StazOn inks. It's not important which ink it is, the main thing is that it must be permanent because we want to go on top with wet medium. I'm using one of the small stencils from Stamplorations and add some texture paste. The stamp set that I'm using for the mushrooms is called Fun-gie Mushrooms. It's from Rubber Dance. If you have some Rubber Dance stamps, you might want to know that we have a brand new Facebook group. We have our monthly challenge in this group, and the design team also shares a lot of creative inspirations, and we also have some giveaways from time to time. If you're interested, I will give you the link in the description box. I am painting my stamps with the Neocolor crayons. These are water soluble, so they work super cool for stamping. After my stamp is inked up, I spritz it with water. I use a brush to spread the color where I want it. You can also paint the crayons directly to the wet stamp. When my mushrooms are dry, I color in some details with colored pencils. My texture paste is dry and I want to color the background with Brushos. I'm using purple, turquoise and yellow for this page. I'm using some white acrylic paint to bring back more white space. I'm also adding some white splatters with homemade white acrylic ink. I'm using white acrylic paint, airbrush medium and water to create this ink. It's perfect to add splatters to your projects. I decided to go with some more stamping, so I'm using the Rubber Dance Round and Circle stamp set to create a little bit more interest on the background. I use a black acrylic ink spray to add some black splatters too. I picked out one of my Brusho backgrounds to die cut some leaves from Tim Holtz. Before I glue everything down, I arranged the elements to my page to see if I like it. I'm using the Colorcraft Aztec metallic paint to add some more shimmer to the background. Unfortunately, this is not good to see on camera, but it adds a really nice golden shine to it. I've cut out my mushrooms and I made sure to leave a little white border around every mushroom. This makes them pop even more. Here is my finished page. All I have done is adding some stickers from Tim Holtz. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you consider subscribing if you haven't already, and maybe give me a thumb up or leave a lovely comment. See us next time. Bye!